So yun, hello. So welcome po for another house tour. This is your trusted real estate sales agent na si Diego Emmanuel Torres, guys. So what I'm about to show you is a full video and the English version of this Bernardita model ready for occupancy house here in Hillsboro, Tanauan. So guys, please bear with me and please bear with my English. Thank you. Hillsboro, Tanauan is near Star Tollway exit. So that is why there is easy access if you're going to Manila. And here, there are nearby hospitals and the Tanauan City Hall. This place has high grounds, so you can very well see the beauty of the nature. This mountain in particular is Mount Makiling, and from here, you can see the city view. Hillsboro also has its own clubhouse and swimming pool. And also we have a basketball court and parks and playground. You're a superhero. Continuing to our vlog, so let us see our clubhouse. So our clubhouse has its own security guard. We also have one security guard and our gate. So look at the beauty, guys. Just look at the beauty here in Tanauan, Batangas, here in Hillsboro, Tanauan. Guys, so just waking up with this view every day makes you feel like you're so rich. Not rich in money, but rich in nature, guys. And the wind here is quite awesome, guys. Look at this city view. It's very amazing, especially at night. At night, when you see the city lights here, it's kinda it's jaw-dropping, guys. So we will go to our Bernardita model. Okay, so Bernardita model is in the other street. So here is our Bernardita model. Okay, so our Bernardita model has 167 floor area and a lot area of 150 square meters. This house is a single detached unit that has fence and gate and 2 balconies. Guys, it got cloudy right now because after my vlog, it rained. Yan, so selfie view, ito po siya. Yan, so meron siyang balcony sa harap. And guys, ito yung magiging entrance nyo. Yan. So again, guys, what you see is what you get. Everything that you see in the house will be yours, guys. So this house amounts to 9,280,000 pesos. So that's the package price of the house and lot, guys. It's kinda cheap and affordable, right? For the turnover and deliverables. So guys, as you can see, this is the main entrance. So this is the walkway, and this is the front view of the house, and then this is a single detached unit. You can walk here, and lupa or the soil here is very rich, so you can plant here and it grows. Yeah, so we have a mini lanai here. Okay, and a sliding door. Hello. So it's kinda bit cloudy right now, so you won't see the mountain, and the mountain is there and the city view. And this is your backside, so you are high, so the place is high, and that is Santo Tomas, Batangas. Okay, so we can cut off these plants and you can still do something here in the back. You can cover this up and do a backdoor kitchen. And so we go back here. So going back on how to reserve this house. So this house is again 9,280,000 pesos, and you can secure it by reserving it for only 50,000 pesos, which is also deductible in the total house price. So down payment for this house, if you can buy it cash, is 20% of 9,280,000. Then the rest can be loaned through the bank, to your own bank. Okay, so as you can see, the lights here are turning white and turning yellow. So fixtures is already included. So what you see is what you get, guys. So what's cool about this developer is this is a well-planned unit and very quality built house, guys. So it has tiles already, windows. So what you will just think about this house is the your furnitures. What will you put inside? So that's the only thing that you will think, because it is complete. Even the kitchen has its own kitchen cabinets, guys. And we also have one bedroom here at our first floor. So look at our kitchen cabinets. And so you can put all your stuff there. So it has our kitchen cabinets is big, guys. So also when you look at our windows, so it has its own window screen. So when you open the cabinets here, it is also tiled inside. Yeah, so it's easy to clean. And we have also space for our gas range, guys. So the fixtures, like the chandelier there, is already free. Okay, so matibay. So this is your first room sa baba. So what I call to room downstairs is elder friendly rooms, because this is what seniors want. They want room downstairs, and it is just adjacent to our comfort room. So they won't be they will have easy access. And the chandelier is already free, and like what I said, what you see here is what you get. Okay, guys. And you also have our big toilet and bath here, guys. Actually, this is one of our 3 toilet and bath. Upstairs we have 2 toilet and baths. So that is our sliding door from earlier, our lanai. And down the stairs we also have space here for our utility area or utility things. So we also have an entrance here, and from our carport, and we have here a backdoor sink. Actually, it's not backdoor, it's like a side door sink. So you can cover this up. Yes, it is allowable by the developer. So you can have an extension of your kitchen there. So we go upstairs, guys. To acquire this unit, you just have to, requirements is just to be a Filipino citizen. If not, if your wife is a Filipino citizen, it's okay. We also have our railing here with wood accent, and this will be our stairs. So we have a wide stairs, so you can easily put your furniture upstairs. And we also have wide windows, so natural light comes inside our house. It is perfect with the white coat paint, and it is also ready if you want to paint it with other colors. And so this will be our first bedroom. Actually, this is our master's bedroom. So master's bedroom in our second floor has its own toilet and bath, and here's what you can see. And it is wide. And even our toilet and bath is wide and complete with tiles. Yeah. So let's go to our first balcony. Our first balcony is adjacent to our first bedroom, and we also have our own fire extinguisher. And so here's what you can see in our first balcony, guys. So it's kind of cloudy right now than earlier. And this part, you can also see the back part here. Then we go to our common toilet and bath. And this is our common toilet and bath. It's like the other ones of our toilet and bath. And here is our second bedroom. Our second bedroom has its own view. If you look at this window here, you will also see the mountain, but it's quite a cloudy right now, guys. So the mountain hides when it's kind of cloudy. And here is our third bedroom. Our third bedroom is unique because it has its own balcony. This room right here can be your office room. So you can also use this space while doing your computer works. So that one there is Santo Tomas, guys. So it also has shoe mart there, SM. And that one is barracks of our workers. And so in the evening, you could see the city lights here. It's a very cool view, guys. So here is our neighbor. Their house is still ongoing construction. So that's it, guys, for our single detached house. Thank you very much for still understanding my English here. And thank you, and please subscribe and share, and invest now as early or buy higher later, guys. So this is a ready for occupancy house that you can secure by only reserving for 50,000 pesos. Thank you very much. Until next time, here is the breakdown of our computation, guys. Thank you.